Hi, I'm Anbu. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a pocket money calculator in code.org. For that, I have a code.org page here. If you have signed in, you can use it. Otherwise, I have uploaded a separate video for that. You can watch it before this video. Let's get started. For making it, I have divided it into two parts, that is designing the pocket money calculator and coding the pocket money calculator. Today we are going to see how to design the pocket money calculator. For that you have to scroll down under the start a new project section. You can see the app lab here. If you can't see the app lab, click on view full list. In the beyond block section you can see the app lab here. Click on it. Let it load. It look like this. Then we will make it bigger, and today we are going to design the pocket money calculator. For that you have to click on design there, and first we have to add a theme to it. Click on the drop down here and you can add any theme here. I will add playtime, and to display the title of the app I will take a label there and make it big and type pocket money calculator. Then you can make the font size bigger. I will make it 20 and text align as center. Then I will change the font size to, I will give comic, and I'll have to change the font size 25. That's all. Now we are going to add a text input to enter a money. So that I will change the text input's ID as, here I can see the ID. I will change it as money. In the placeholder I will add enter money. Then I will make it straighter and I will add two buttons. One button for adding the money, one button to spend the money. I will make this button as adding the money. I will add the ID as button add, and this one as button as we and spend. Then I will change this button color as green, and then I will change the border color to dark green. Then for displaying the total money we have left, I will add a label down. I will name the label as label column, and I will add the text as on and make it straight. That's all, our code is done. Tomorrow I will meet with how to code the app.